That not the wonder. Who could bird and a bird? I'm to go. Yeah. What's mine now? No. We treat up a bird and then chirp into the tree. Wow! The bird living in the tree? No, birds can't live in the tree. That's right. Can the bat fit into the birds? No. Flying into the sky. Fly up to the flapper wings. Like cousin everywhere if not. That is right. Kiddo, is it a fly up a bird? No. What is it with a fly up the flew to the sky? The fly into the flew. Maybe about tomorrow, but it's flying into the sky. Can the fox up a bird? Yes! I wish a red fox can be surprised. We need help. Maybe the game the fresh tablets. And then the Amazon is dead. We need to help you to make it defense. Well practiced.